An asthmatic takes ibuprofen for a headache. Within an hour, they are in bronchospasm. The painkiller caused an asthma attack. Here's exactly why, and it's one of the most elegant mechanisms of pharmacology. Let's break it down. Your cell membranes constantly produce arachidonic acid, a fatty acid that feeds two downstream pathways, the COX pathway. Cyclooxygenase makes thromboxane and prostaglandins, anti-inflammatory and protective mediators. And the LOX pathway, lipoxygenase makes leukotrienes from arachidonic acid, specifically LTC4, LTD4, and LTE4, some of the most potent bronchoconstrictors in the human body. Normally, arachidonic acid splits equally between the two pathways. But here's how NSAIDs play a role. NSAIDs block COX completely. So, arachidonic acid has nowhere to go except the LOX pathway. So it floods it. Leukotriene production explodes. Those excess leukotrienes hit the airways with three simultaneous effects. 1. Bronchoconstriction. The smooth muscles in the airway walls clamp down. Airway narrows, airflow drops. 2. Mucus hypersecretion. The goblet cells go into overdrive. Thick mucus plugs form. Airflow drops further. 3. Airway edema due to capillary leaks in the bronchial walls, thickening the airways, further narrowing the lumen, and further lowering the airflow. Triple hit on the airway. In a patient whose airways are already hyperactive from the asthma, this tips them into a full attack. Rapidly, within 30 to 120 minutes of taking the NSAIDs. Family packages this into a classic triad called the Samter's triad, characterized by aspirin sensitivity, asthma, and the nasal polyps. The nasal polyps are not random. Chronic leukotriene driven eosinophilic inflammation in the nasal mucosa forms polyps. Same mechanism, different location. The vignette: an adult with asthma, chronic nasal congestion, and nasal polyps on exam, takes aspirin or ibuprofen, results in acute bronchospasm. Mechanism: COX blockade, shunting arachidonic acid into the LOX pathway. How do you treat it? Montelukast, leukotriene receptor antagonist, directly blocks LTC4 and LTD4, and safe painkiller alternative, acetaminophen. It does not meaningfully block COX at standard doses. Comment: did your professor explain the shunting mechanism or just say NSAIDs are contraindicated?